Burp.
Burp, burp.
Cold soda or hot soda?
What? You like hot soda?
Hot soda. Hot soda makes me burp. Oh, that was just a baby. That was gross.
Oh, that means
It came up your mouth.
if you marry him and you guys get baby, that means Chelsea and my mom are gonna have another sibling.
I can't have no more babies. I'm like your mom and mom. Whoosh, snipped.
My mom will be happy because she doesn't want no. My mom has a lot of siblings and a lot of stepsisters.
Your mom only has 2 siblings and 2 step-ones. So she don't have that many.
What is it? What about 2? Actually, I just have one brother.
A
separate.
step brother. No blood brother. Not related by blood. So it's not really a real brother.
But your blood in there. His.
My brother's real because they're blood. Real blood.
Wait, what happens if you when you date someone else? But did you date anyone and that's how? Wait, tell me, Kinsey has your blood.
Mackenzie has my blood. Has
That
your
means-
sister's blood.
That means they're sisters, real sisters.
Yes, they are real sisters. They have the same mom.
That means Papa was cheating on a lot of girls.
Cool.
Papa, that means he married too many girls.
Wait.
Who's your mother?
Oh, damn. That was a good one.
Who's your mother? Who's your mother? Who's your mother? Where's your mother?
My mother is your grandmother.
Who is it?
I don't know. Your grandma Janet?
I know. Gigi.
That was a good one.
Who's your dad?
Who's your dad? That's so
Who's
nasty.
your dad? Wait, actually, who's actually your dad?
My dad lives in Nebraska or Mississippi. I don't know where he's at.
Just saw his car. You went to his mom's house?
I'm going. Bye.
Very nice. Banana.
Okay, that was a good one. Okay. Any burps?
Ah.
Oh, I have one coming up, but it hurts my belly.
Oh God, no.
Oh,
What the?
damn, that was good.
Mine's the ghost one.
Okay, goodbye.